content.
Um. Uh. Content. I don't. Anyways. Um. Okay. So to make a scout video, you just want to like hold that back. All right. Just keep holding it. Hold it. Even hold it. All right. You got 3 days left, right? Yeah. And then you then panic, right? And you look through like your documents of just notes of like ideas and stuff, and none of them are good. And then you just got that one friend who just says,
I swear to God, this is not a vibe. You are not vibing. No, this is
anyways,
not.
if you do have the time, you grab the pre-recorded video from like a year ago, and then you just like start editing that, alright? Them 8 hours of raw footage into a crappy editing software. And then boom, you got your scout video. It's finished in 1 day. You panicked, of course. Good job for you, but you did one video a month. Good job.